All right, let's talk about what's happening out there and take a look at the graphic behind Ron. A lot of colors, Ron.
Yeah, a lot of blues, a lot of reds. The reds, the winter storm warning, that's where you can expect 6 or more inches of snow. The purplish blue color that's right there, that's a winter weather advisory. All of this goes up until 7 o'clock tonight. The winter weather advisories normally means more than 2 inches. Not quite expecting 6 inches. I'm going to put Pittsburgh right in the middle, especially if you're south of the parkways. You're going to be looking at more than likely about 3 to 4 inches of snow coming through over the course of the day. Now, here's some good news for Lauren. She was just talking about heading down to the Morgantown area in her GPS saying about half an hour. Should be good to go right now. Things are looking pretty good once you punch through that band of snow that's fairly heavy right on top of Washington over along I-70. Then you're going to have to contend within about 2 to 3 hours, maybe a little bit less than that on the leading edge. You see these dark blues here? This is going to be the leading edge of that cold air that's going to start to roll into Morgantown. This is going to be some of the heaviest of the snow they're going to see all day long. We were mentioning that thunder sleet earlier. Potential for some thunder snow with some convective bands will be possible over the next, we'll say again, probably right at around 2 hours moving into the Morgantown area. These bands you will not want to be on the roads for as they are expected to pick up. So we'll watch those closely. I-70 to the east, you can see the Mount Pleasant area there. We have some decent snow coming in right now. Again, this is going to be enough to easily put snow on roads out there. And then we do have the lighter band of snow right on top of Grove City over to the Newcastle area. Those are communities that are expecting to see about 1 inch, maybe a little bit more in the way of snow, and you're probably looking at some of your best snow chances happening right now. So we do still have some spots there where we're not seeing some snow, but that is expected to fill in as we're heading into the afternoon now. A little bit of a change in the forecast there. Here's the numbers that everyone wants to know. 1 to 3 inches in the Butler, Beaver, Indiana areas. Pittsburgh, Allegheny County, Westmoreland County, you're looking at about 3 to 6 inches of snow. I think the sweet spot in Pittsburgh is you should expect to see about 4 inches of snow, so a little bit more than what we saw on Friday. Connellsville, Fayette County, places south of I-70. You start at 6 inches of snow. You could go all the way up to 9 inches of snow, and the Morgantown area have you 9 or more inches of snow. Spotty snow showers now as we're heading into the afternoon hours. That's where the snow is expected to be consistent, especially from Allegheny County to the south. That's where a big portion now of our snow is expected to arrive. That is different from what we are looking at over the course of the weekend. So there are some changes right there. 26 expected high temperature today. There will be pockets of heavy snow at times as well. Temperatures at this point, we're hovering near 20 degrees. Our wind chill all the way down to 7. Look at those winds gusting up to 24 miles an hour. You do not want to be outside if you don't have to be. Here's a look at the temperatures now. Most places hovering near 20 degrees. Again, those wind chills down into single digits this morning. Here's your 7-day. 24 your Tuesday high, 23 on Wednesday, 22 on Thursday. Not as cold over the weekend, but still cold. High temperatures probably near 30 degrees both Saturday and on Sunday.